Welcome to Chief Spreadsheet. Let's learn how to insert a checkbox in Excel today. First, you're going to need the Developer tab, and oftentimes when you first download Excel, you don't normally have this in your upper ribbon. So what you want to do is come up here and right-click anywhere on this ribbon and click on Customize the Ribbon. On the left side in these Excel options, you want to click on Customize Ribbon and make sure that's selected. And then on the right side here, you're going to have a bunch of main tabs and checkboxes. Down here you'll see Developer, and you'll want to make sure that that is checked. So we'll click on that and make sure that that is checked, and then down here in the right corner you'll click OK. Then you should have the Developer tab. From here you'll want to go into the Controls group and click on Insert in this drop-down arrow. You'll see Form Controls and ActiveX Controls. Form Controls is just for more basic applications when you just want to display and be able to check a checkbox, which is what we are covering today. So we'll click on this checkbox option. Now you can see our cursor is a plus sign. That signifies that we are ready to drag and create our checkbox. So we're going to left click and drag, and then there is our checkbox. So what we want to do is now we can move this box. If we click on the edge of this border of the checkbox and bring it over to our done category for our to-do list. And we can also bring this out so we can edit the default text. So we can click in this box and edit our default text. In this case, I don't want any text, so we're going to backspace all of that out. One thing that is important to note, if you're clicking anywhere in the frame of that checkbox, so I'm over here in cell D and I'm clicking the frame of that checkbox and it's checking the box, so I want to make sure that doesn't happen. So what I'm going to do to select that and to change the frame size, we're going to right click on the box, right click anywhere on the box, and then the frame will come back up. And then you can use these circles to drag, click and drag to change the size of your checkbox. So that looks about right. You can also right click on your checkbox and edit other things. You can assign a macro, you can format the checkbox, you can edit the text. If you click on there, you can go straight into editing the text within your checkbox. But in this case, I just want a simple checkbox. And then what you can do, if you want to copy it into other cells, you can either just hit the keyboard shortcut Control-C and then click and drag the cells you want to paste it in, and then hit Control-V. And that is going to paste the checkboxes into those cells you had selected. Now we had an extra one that had pasted down here in C7, so to get rid of that, I can just right-click that checkbox and hit Cut to get rid of it really quickly. Another way to easily copy cells, you can just click and drag from the right-hand corner of this fill handle, click and drag, and that will copy your cells down with your checkboxes as well. Then you can select and check all of the things off of your to-do list, all to your heart's content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out this other one I have up here in the card above. And remember to like and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials and custom spreadsheet templates coming in the future. I hope you all have a wonderful day.